Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Google Baba 1712. We are going to learn active voice to passive voice of imperative sentences and sentences having modal auxiliary verbs. This is one of the most important topics of voice change. How to change active voice into passive voice. 1. Imperative sentences. Those are commonly commands, requests, advice, suggestions, instructions, etc. 2. Sentences containing modal auxiliary verbs. So friends, let's begin. What is voice? Voice tells us whether the subject performs the action or receives the action. Active voice means the subject does the action. For example, 2. She brings vegetables. 3. They buy the tickets. 4. Priya makes the cake. Notice that most imperative sentences start with the base form of a verb. Structure for active voice and passive voice of imperative sentences or commands. Structure for active voice. Verb plus object. Structure for passive voice. Let plus object plus be plus past participle of verb, that is V3. Examples. 1. Open the door. Let the door be opened. 2. Close the window. Let the window be closed. 3. Clean the room. Let the room be cleaned. 4. Finish the work. Let the work be finished. Imperative sentences with please. Structure of active voice. Please plus verb plus object. Structure of passive voice. You are requested to plus V1 plus object. Or let plus object plus be plus V3. 1. Please help me. Answer. You are requested to help me. Or let I be helped. 2. Please wait outside. Answer. You are requested to wait outside. 3. Please open the door. Answer. You are requested to open the door. Or let the door be opened. Imperative sentences with request. In these sentences, words like kindly or please are used, which indicate requests. For example, 1. Kindly submit the form. You are requested to submit the form. For advisory sentences. Example. 1. Follow the traffic rules. Answer. You are advised to follow the traffic rules. 2. Take regular exercise. Answer. You are advised to take regular exercise. Negative imperative sentences. Structure of active voice. Do not plus verb plus object. Structure of passive voice. Let not plus object plus be plus V3. 1. Do not waste time. Answer. Let not time be wasted. 2. Do not open the box. Answer. Let not the box be opened. 3. Do not touch the switch. Answer. Let not the switch be touched. Active voice to passive voice of sentences having modal auxiliary verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, etc. Structure for active voice. Subject plus modal plus V1 plus object. Structure for passive voice. Object plus modal plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject or accusative of pronoun. Examples. 1. She can solve the problem. Answer. The problem can be solved by her. 2. He may finish the work. Answer. The work may be finished by him. 3. You should obey the rules. Answer. The rules should be obeyed by you. 4. We must complete the project. Answer. The project must be completed by us. 5. They will arrange the meeting. Answer. The meeting will be arranged by them. 6. He would help the poor. Answer. The poor would be helped by him. 7. She could answer the question. Answer. The question could be answered by her. 8. They might cancel the match. Answer. The match might be cancelled by them. 9. You should not break the rules. Answer. The rules should not be broken by you. 10. He cannot solve the problem. Answer. The problem cannot be solved by him. 1. Active. She can write a letter. Passive. A letter can be written by her. 2. Active. They can solve the problem. Passive. The problem can be solved by them. 3. Active. He can drive the car. Passive. The car can be driven by him. 4. Active. We can complete the work. Passive. The work can be completed by us. 5. Active. You can open the door. Passive. The door can be opened by you. 6. Active. she cannot write a letter. Passive, a letter cannot be written by her. 7. Active, they cannot solve the problem. Passive, the problem cannot be solved by them. 8. Active, he cannot drive the car. Passive, the car cannot be driven by him. 9. Active, we cannot complete the work. Passive, the work cannot be completed by us. 10. Active, you cannot open the door. Passive, the door cannot be opened by you. 11. She could answer the question. Passive, the question could be answered by her. 12. They could repair the machine. Passive, the machine could be repaired by them. 13. He could lift the box. Passive, the box could be lifted by him. 14. We could finish the task. Passive, task could be finished by us. 15. You could solve the puzzle. Passive, the puzzle could be solved by you. 16. She could not answer the question. Passive, the question could not be answered by her. 17. They could not repair the machine. Passive, the machine could not be repaired by them. 18. He could not lift the box. Passive, the box could not be lifted by him. 19. We could not finish the task. Passive, the task could not be finished by us. 20. You could not solve the puzzle. Passive, the puzzle could not be solved by you. 21. He may finish the work. Passive, the work may be finished by him. 22. She may invite her friends. Passive, her friends may be invited by her. 23. They may announce the result. Passive, the result may be announced by them. 24. We may start the project. Passive, the project may be started by us. 25. You may borrow the book. Passive, the book may be borrowed by you. 26. He may not finish the work. Passive, the work may not be finished by him. 27. She may not invite her friends. Passive, her friends may not be invited by her. 28. They may not announce the result. Passive, the result may not be announced by them. 29. We may not start the project. Passive, the project may not be started by us. 30. You may not borrow the book. Passive, the book may not be borrowed by you. 31. They might cancel the match. Passive, the match might be cancelled by them. 32. He might buy a car. Passive, a car might be bought by him. 33. She might write a novel. Passive, a novel might be written by her. 34. We might complete the work. Passive, the work might be completed by us. 35. You might win the prize. Passive, the prize might be won by you. 36. They might not cancel the match. Passive, the match might not be cancelled by them. 37. He might not buy a car. Passive, a car might not be bought by him. 38. She might not write a novel. Passive, a novel might not be written by her. 39. We might not complete the work. Passive, the work might not be completed by us. 40. You might not win the prize. Passive, the prize might not be won by you. Structure for active voice of ought to. Subject plus ought to plus V1 plus object. Structure for passive voice of ought to. Object plus ought to plus be plus V3. 1. You ought to respect your parents. Answer. Your parents ought to be respected by you. 2. Active. We ought to help the poor. Passive. The poor ought to be helped by us. 3. Active. They ought to follow the rules. Passive. The rules ought to be followed by them. 4. Active. She ought to complete the assignment. Passive. The assignment ought to be completed by her. 5. Active. He ought to obey his teachers. Passive. His teachers ought to be obeyed by him. Structure for active voice of negative sentences ought to. Subject plus ought not to plus V1 plus object. Structure for passive voice. Object plus ought not to plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject or accusative of pronoun. 6. Active, you ought not to insult your parents. Passive, your parents ought not to be insulted by you. 7. Active, we ought not to neglect the poor. Passive, the poor ought not to be neglected by us. 8. Active, they ought not to violate the rules. Passive, the rules ought not to be violated by them. 9. Active, she ought not to leave the assignment unfinished. Passive, the assignment ought not to be left unfinished by her. 10. Active, he ought not to disobey his teachers. Passive, his teachers ought not to be disobeyed by him.